Welcome to Achieve Your Dreams TV. We're thrilled to have you here. Today, we're diving into a topic that can sometimes be a puzzle. Understanding whether someone is truly into you. Deciphering these signs can be a bit challenging, as it's not always easy to distinguish genuine interest from mere friendliness. That's why we've crafted a list of 10 unmistakable signals that someone is undeniably captivated by you. From verbal cues to body language, we're going to walk you through the subtle hints that can help unravel the mystery of someone's feelings towards you. But before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please consider liking and subscribing for more captivating content in the future. Let's jump right in. 1. Enchanting eye contact. The eyes have it. When someone is genuinely into you, they'll make a conscious effort to maintain eye contact during your conversations. This visual connection is a powerful tool in communication, allowing them to truly engage with what you're saying. 2. Initiating engaging chats. One of the most overt indicators of someone's interest is if they take the lead in starting conversations. If they're constantly finding reasons to strike up a dialogue with you, it's a clear sign they're eager to get to know you on a deeper level. 3. Leaning in with enthusiasm. Sometimes, the most meaningful gestures are the subtle ones. When someone leans in towards you during a conversation, it's a subconscious sign that they're engrossed in what you're saying and are drawn to being physically closer. 4. The gentle touch. Physical touch can speak volumes. If they find excuses to lightly brush your arm or get closer, it's a telltale sign of attraction. Psychology tells us that touch plays a pivotal role in building connections and intimacy. 5. Authentic interest in your world. A true admirer will show genuine curiosity about your life. They'll inquire about your hobbies, your work, your family, and even your opinions on various topics. Their interest goes beyond surface-level chatter. 6. Cherishing the details. It's the little things that count. When they remember and bring up seemingly insignificant details from your conversations, it's a clear indicator that they're invested in learning more about you. 7. Sharing laughter. Laughter is a universal language. If they're constantly laughing at your jokes, no matter how corny, it's a sign that they enjoy your company. This laughter is a reflection of their attraction and interest. 8. Striving to impress. Psychology shows that people often try to impress those they're attracted to. Whether it's sharing accomplishments or showcasing skills, these efforts are driven by a desire for your approval. 9. Time is a treasure. Making time for you is a clear statement of their interest. When someone prioritizes spending time with you, it's a sign that they value your presence and want to be a part of your life. 10. Direct expressions of interest. Perhaps the most definitive sign is when they gather the courage to ask you out or express their feelings directly. This level of straightforwardness indicates a high level of emotional investment. We hope these insights have shed light on deciphering those subtle cues of attraction. If you found this video engaging and enlightening, remember to show your support by liking and subscribing. Thank you for tuning in to Achieve Your Dreams TV. Your journey towards understanding the signs of attraction has just begun.